Hey guys, it's Sandeep from RevAtlas and welcome to our giveaway announcement video. So I'd like to start off by thanking each and every one of you for your continued support, and we have just crossed 18,000 subscribers in a record period of time. We just crossed 10,000 subscribers back in December, and that's when we announced the giveaway that we'll be doing at 15,000. Now we are less than 2 months from that particular date, and now we have already crossed 18,000 subscribers, which is a huge thing. The jump from 15,000 to 18,000 was unprecedented and was much faster than we expected, but within a few days we promised you that we'll bring the giveaway winner announcement, and here we are. And we have chosen Vishal Giri as the winner. So for a multiple number of reasons. One, he really posted a nice comment in the comment section. He is one who offers continued support, and he is one who always interacts with us on our videos, on Twitter, on Facebook, and across multiple platforms. And like many of you out there, he is one of our fans and one of our loyal viewers as well. So it gives us great pleasure to kind of give him this opportunity to get a brand new smartphone, and he has chosen the Redmi Note 5 Pro. So we did make it clear to him that we don't mind giving you the Note 5 Pro, considering that the other two options which he had in mind, the Mi A1 and 7X, are practically the same in terms of the price range. But he might have to wait a bit because we don't have the Note 5 Pro ourselves in terms of a retail unit. So we do have the review unit, but that's not ours to give away. So we'll have to get him a brand new Note 5 Pro unit, and until we are able to do so, he would have to wait. But he did say that he's fine with that. So that's a great thing, and we'll be happy to give it to him at the earliest possible date. And I'd also like to thank each and every one of you who, like Vishal, are really into what RevAtlas is doing. They understand the concept of RevAtlas, they understand what we stand for, they understand the kind of effort we put into it, and appreciate us for all that we're doing. And we'll be doing more such giveaways in the future, so please do continue your support, continue to share, like, and do everything with our videos. Be more interactive in the comment section, ask us anything you want to ask. We'll always try and reply to each and every comment. So that was the announcement of the winner for the 15k subscriber mark giveaway, and I promise you we'll be doing something really interesting very soon as well. Thanks for watching this video. See you again in the next one. And for those of you who feel a bit sad that you haven't won, there's always a next time, so get ready for that. Thanks for watching. See you again next one.